Yes, you could earn that extra $250,000 per year as a semi-passive income. You don't even need to quit your day job. And this is possible because trillions could flow through cryptos like Stellar XLM. And you and I, your award-winning Stellar XLM crypto developer, could benefit. But how? Well, for that, you need to watch all 7 steps, watch until the end to ensure that money flows into your bank account. Okay, so you need to start doing your technical and fundamental analysis. It's so important to check out what's happening in the market so that we can build an understanding of where the markets are going. Okay, so this is going to give us an entry condition. Which way is the market trading? Is it bearish or is it bullish? Is it going to continue to do so? Have we found the bottom? Conditions, okay? And this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme, all right? You need to do this every day to ensure that you're up to date on the news so that you can determine where the market's going to go. Without that, don't even bother start trading. And really, thousands of people are earning tens of thousands, $100,000 per month. So surely we can earn that 589 per day if we apply these skills. Identified the conditions, we need to make an entry. And the technique that we are going to be using is a swing trade technique. Okay, so we make our entry, we identify, have we found a bottom at a specific zone? Okay, and I'll talk about zones because zones are important, because if we're trading a zone off a fractal structure, we want to know that our price is not going to go below that price and we're going to gain profit. So to ensure that you make these profits, you need to watch until the end. Follow all 7 steps, because if you don't, it's going to be the reason why you're not making huge profits from this crypto. Because what we don't do on this channel, we do not do leverage. We do not do leverage on this channel. We're in crypto. You shouldn't need to do leverage. Buy in the dip and just hold it for a few years, okay? Until the next bull cycle. You could do that. And that's a sensible solution. In fact, that's what I recommend you do. But what I also recommend you do is take advantage of this new cryptocurrency financial system and become a market maker. Swing trade this market. So to ensure that you make these profits, you need to watch until the end. Follow all 7 steps, because if you don't, it's going to be the reason why you're not making huge profits from this crypto. And really, for the 4th point, we need to be looking at stop loss. Where to pull our money out of the market. Once it's got past a point and it's broken a particular fractal structure, or it's broken a pattern, just like, for example, if you had a head and shoulders pattern and it's gone way past that level, cut your losses, 2-3%, get out, okay? And get back in once we've re-identified the conditions again. Stop loss, and then targets as the 5th point, or 7th point, wherever we are on our points, right? Targets are so important. We need to be realistic about where we want to take profit. And again, I'll refer you back to my previous video, 589, about really having a bag, not spending all of it, 50%, you're hodling the other side of it, and you're trading with the other side, okay? You're having your swing trade, right? No more than 50%. You don't need to be doing more than 50%, because you don't want to miss out on that long-term opportunity if things go awry and you somehow let your emotions get away with you, okay? So we've got our entry, we've got our target, and we have to be strict with that target. We're not taking any less and we're not taking any more, and that target is not one set price, it's a zone. So we've zoned in. As soon as we get inside that zone, take profits.
Great, so if you made it this far, excellent, but it's so important you watch all 7 steps. Watch until the end, because if you don't, it could be the reason why you're not making those huge profits. And really, when we get to the end, we got some great free stuff that's going to help you make those huge profits.
This technique It's going to ensure that you make profits long term, okay, consistently. And it doesn't matter where the market goes, up or down, sideways, it does not matter. You're going to be consistently making profits. And there you go. If you haven't guessed already, step 6, take profits. You'd be surprised how many people just don't take profits once they hit these zones. And it's so important to do our research, continue progressing on a daily basis. And that's why it's majorly important that you watch all 7 steps, continue watching to the end, because it could be the difference between you making huge profits or not making any at all. This could be the reason why you're not making profits. That's it. We're not taking profits with all of our crypto. That's a rule that we stick to. It's all about rules-based trading. We've now created ourselves a system, a consistent system that is going to make us consistent profits. And if you've made it this far through the video, well done. And it's so important you continue watching until the end, because I'm going to show you how to take the emotions out of trading. I'm going to show you how to make that semi-passive income, so that you've only got to do a few things to ensure that this system continues to make you profits, huge profits. Welcome to step 7, AMM, automated market making. You're now ready to start trading with a bot, and we use a bot called Kelp, which is a free open source software anyone can download at any time. It's not just for Stellar XLM. You can use it on Binance, you can use it on Kraken, you can trade then any asset on those exchanges. So you can maximize your profits. You don't just have to trade on the Stellar XLM blockchain, you could trade on any centralized cryptocurrency exchange, or almost any centralized cryptocurrency exchange, right? Poloniex even, I believe. And really, this is what's going to take the emotions out of trading. So if you want to make these huge profits, if you want that semi-passive income, you feel that you have the ability to apply these bots, follow me, subscribe, and we could do the research together. And I think it's so important that you watch the next video, because it's on AMM. And this is where we start our research. Let's do it together. I'm Nathan, aka Nathan of Zion. Smash the Zioncoin up there, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day now. Take care.